and we are going to solve the CD problem in assembly. So this question states that we are given two numbers x and y, and we want to check whether the difference between these two numbers is greater than 2 or greater than 3. So let's get to this. So first of all we'll define the global main, and then we'll have the section text, and after that we have the main section. So the main section will be our main method of the program, basically the initial point. And after that we'll be reading the first number by calling a procedure read n, which we will be dealing later in this video, and then similarly reading the second number and then storing it into the registers R8 and R9. And after that we'll be subtracting the numbers R8 from R9, which will result in x equals x minus y. And after that we will be having the compare statement, which will compare the R8 with -2. So basically my x minus y should be greater than or equal to -2, and it should be less than or equal to 3. So this is the main inequality which has to be hoped to do the thing. So after that I will be creating another label which will be pass1, and then I will just paste it over here, which will say that if the comparison is if the R8 is greater than -2, then jump greater than equal to, which is p1, and then it will jump to the p1 label. And inside this I will have another comparison inside the p1, which will compare the R8 with 3, which is this part of the inequality, and then we will jump if less than 3, then the control will jump over here, in which we'll have the address of the yes into the RSI, and then we will be printing yes, and then we will be calling the exit system call. So for this yes thing, we will be creating a data section in which I have created the string yes and no over here with the label yes and no. So over here the address of the yes will go to the RSI, and the address of the no will go to the no label. So this is the part 2. Pos 2 means the inequality has been satisfied, and after that I will have the else label, which I have defined over here. So after that I have this thing over here, which will say move RSI with no and then print no, and after that I will be calling the exit system call. So now let's finish up some of the unfinished procedures. First of all is the readin. So the readin. So before doing the readin, I'm going to make a read C procedure call, which will be reading up the character using the read system call. So basically this is going to having the system this call number 0, which is basically the read system call, and then on the RDI is 0, which means that I'm going to do the file descriptor 0, which is the std in, and after that I am having the string from the stack, and after that I am reading one character from the input, and then I'm calling this syscall thing to initiate the read system call. And after doing this, I will be doing the read end system call. So in the read end system call, I'm basically looping and reading character by character by calling this read C system call, read C procedure, and then I'm subtracting 48, which is the ASCII code for the 0. So let's suppose I am getting number 3, so 3 minus 0, which will be equal to 3. So now I'm just multiplying the number by 10, and then I'm just adding up this number, which will result in reading up the whole number. And now I will be making the print system call, making the print procedure, which is over here. So it is actually using the right system call over here with the RDX1 and RDI1, which means the file descriptor is set to std out, and RDX3, which means there will be three letters which will be printed to the standard output, and for the no it will be no, and then this 10 will mean the \n. And finally we will have the exit procedure, which will eventually end the program with the 0 status code. So this is our program in assembly. So let's just have a submit over here and see whether it works or not. Okay, so this code, it is accepted over here. So this is it.